Solve the equation 25x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and this left side fits the form of a difference of squares. So it's going to factor nicely as 5x plus 2 times 5x minus 2, and that's set equal to 0. So at this point, if the product of two things is equal to 0, then we know that one or the other or both is 0. So let's set each of these linear pieces equal to 0. 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, or 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. And solving each of these linear factors then gives 5x is equal to negative 2, or x is equal to a negative 2/5. With our other linear piece, adding 2 to both sides gives 5x is 2, or x is equal to a positive 2/5. It's always wise to check those solutions in your original equation, and as you do, you will find that indeed the solution set is negative 2/5 and positive 2/5.